15/64. Try to keep it in focus for you here. Now I have to hold this on the right angle. See that? I start inside. Like that. It's hard to do through this. Man, where is that focus? There we go. It's hard to do through this you notice I'm thinning the web as I do that, like a split point bit. That's one of the added. Now, it appears that I'm using a straight twist on that, but I'm not. I'm actually using a climbing twist, if you understand what I'm saying. It's not going to cut right. Cutting edge. I shut that off. It's hard to show you that tip. But see how I undercut that web right there a little bit? And there? It's hard to see, but when I do it just right, I can't hardly see it right now because of going through this camera. But when I do it right, boy, I'll tell you what, these guys are really nice. This sharpens drill bits like there's no tomorrow, man. Okay, that's how I do, that's basically how I sharpen a drill bit. I'll show you one more time here. Inside down away from the point and roll it towards me, getting the whole edge. And be careful when you roll it onto the edge, you don't roll it too far because you need the edge. You need that angle. See the angle? That's supposed to be that's supposed to be a 2-degree drop off of 118 degrees. This has got a bigger drop than 2 degrees. You might be able to tell if you're used to eyeballing drill bits. So that's got a more aggressive cut than 2 degrees. It just, you just have to be careful when using it. Not to feed too hard, because that sucker will suck itself right into steel and cut so fast it'll make your head explode.